Are you ready to create the best visitor and employee sign-in experience imaginable? The Swipedon Visitor Management System will streamline your front desk. Employees can sign in via the Swipedon Pocket app on their smartphones. Offer contactless sign-in. Ask visitor screening questions. Include custom NDAs in visitor agreements. For added security, you can choose to take visitor photos and print ID labels automatically. Easily offer your visitors food and beverages upon arrival with the Swipedon Catering add-on. Swipedon instantly notifies staff of their guests' arrival. The Swipedon Deliveries add-on enables couriers to scan and drop parcels. Staff are instantly notified when a delivery is at the front desk. Streamline, secure, simplify. Reinvent your welcome with Swipedon.